Marvel and DC Comics, the world's largest comic book publishers. Both are owned by two massive corporations, Walt Disney Company owning Marvel Comics and Warner Brothers owning DC Comics. With massive film and TV franchises, hugely successful video games, toys, merchandising deals, they're licensing and marketing their characters to pretty much every market that they can. But how's their comic book business doing? Marvel in the 80s was the house of ideas and talent with a bright future. But in 1989, that bright future was changed when Wall Street sharks swooped in and bought the company for $82.5 million. There was no love for comics in this buyout. It was a move to exploit every cent out of the brand. Best selling books became intellectual properties, and characters became assets, and creativity became corporate. Soon after, movie rights were all sold off, and there was the eventual bankruptcy for Marvel Publishing. Fast forward to the early 2000s, and those movies were hitting screens and making money. But then, of course, Disney soon enters the picture, turning Marvel into a content farm for films, games, and merch, with little to no plan for publishing. Warner Brothers followed essentially the same playbook. And now, with interest in their biggest IPs dwindling and their movie franchises failing, they'll try to sell us reboots and remakes for the next decade. And now, with the recent bankruptcy of Diamond Comic Distribution and the impending sale of Warner Brothers Discovery, traditional comic publishing is in a very precarious state. Now, the iconic heroes of Marvel and DC aren't going anywhere. They're always going to have their hardcore fans. But what about new fans? Lately, they've been having trouble attracting and maintaining a newer fan base. Newer comic readers are turning away from the typical superhero genres of the big two, and they're looking for something with more deeper, darker themes and unique story and character arcs. But if you're an artist with your own original comic or story that you want to tell, people turning away from Marvel and DC is actually a good thing for you. According to the online research platform grandviewresearch.com, in 2024, the global comic book market size was estimated at around $17.62 billion. Traditional, non digital comics, trade paperbacks, and reprints held a large section of that market in 2024, but the largest segment of the market was manga, not Marvel or DC. And what's more interesting is that traditional superhero comic book sales may be down. The overall global comic book market is projected to grow. By 2033, it's estimated to be worth around $37.15 billion. And a large percentage of the non digital print market is expected to come out of the Asian markets, making the expected growth of digital comics over the next 8 to 10 years all the more impressive. Marvel and DC have been relying on their heavy hitters for far too long, creating very few original concepts and even fewer successful ones. But how do they rewind the clock and bring back the house of ideas that they once were? I'm actually not sure that they can. I mean, do you want to sign over your best ideas to a bunch of Disney shareholders in order to earn a meager salary? And for some, no doubt that that would be an amazing job. Or do you want to shoot for the stars, publish and control your own original comics and IP, maintain all the rights and licensing, and aim to build your own indie comic empire? Times have changed. And I believe there's never been a better opportunity to do just that than there is today. With platforms like Global Comics and the ease of website creation and integration combined with print on demand, both merch and print comics, not to mention crowdfunding sites like Kickstarter and Fund My Comic, there truly has been no better time to become an indie comic creator. So, what are you waiting for? I know what I'm doing. And of course, this will take work and effort. There's no such thing as a get rich quick scheme. Creating your own comic, this is about passion and turning that passion into a comic business and potential career. And the goal of these videos is that hopefully by watching me, you get inspired to build and create your own independent digital comic. So if you're interested in watching me do just that, develop my story, my concept, my characters, and eventually draw my pages and upload them to Global Comics as a digital comic, then please like and subscribe and hype this video and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. And if you need help or mentorship, planning, building, and bringing your original creation to life, then book a free call with me and let's discuss your work. Or consider a 3-month creator plan with me where you get access to my 25 years of animation and industry related storytelling experience. Let me guide you through industry professional techniques and bring your original world and characters confidently to life. Just click the links below. And if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope I've inspired you to take action on your own creation. And if you're not already, please subscribe, like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and hit that hype button. And if you can, please consider becoming a Patreon member, where you'll get behind the scenes content, exclusive artwork, and it helps the channel out immensely. Thank you again for being here, for watching the video. All the best, and I will see you in the next one.